Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask Review. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a skincare product that promises intense overnight hydration, the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask might grab your attention. Most people at this wrong by thinking overnight masks work the same, but the surprising truth is that this mask combines collagen infusion with a unique wrapping technique to maximize absorption while you sleep. Pros: users love the plumping and firming effect it has after just a few nights. The mask is designed to lock in moisture for hours, reducing dryness and fine lines. Ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and botanical extracts are known for their skin repairing and hydrating properties. Many reviewers highlight its gentle texture and minimal irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The cons: some users mention the mask can feel sticky or heavy, especially if you move a lot during sleep. The price point is higher than average masks, and results can vary depending on your skin type. Also, because it's a night-specific product, it doesn't replace your daily moisturizer. In short, the pros are intense hydration, firming effects, and gentle formulation, while the cons are stickiness, cost, and limited daytime use. The takeaway: Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask is perfect for anyone wanting overnight skin recovery and hydration, but be prepared for a slightly heavier feel while you sleep. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more skincare app insights.